American underwater technology has made remarkable strides, particularly in areas like submersible design, autonomous underwater vehicles, and advanced sonar systems. For instance, the development of remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, has revolutionized deep-sea exploration, allowing us to access previously unreachable depths. These vehicles are equipped with high-definition cameras and robotic arms, enabling real-time data collection and manipulation of underwater environments. Moreover, the integration of artificial intelligence in underwater drones enhances their navigation and data processing capabilities, making them invaluable for marine research and environmental monitoring. The use of advanced materials such as carbon fiber and titanium has also improved the durability and efficiency of submersibles, allowing them to withstand extreme pressures. In addition, the application of sonar technology has transformed underwater mapping and object detection, providing critical insights for marine engineers. Innovations like synthetic aperture sonar offer high-resolution imagery, essential for habitat mapping and archaeological studies. As we continue to push the boundaries of underwater technology, the potential for discoveries in marine biology, resource management, and environmental conservation is limitless.